Hello and welcome along to the Man Leprechaun. My name is Mert Walsh. I'm at Armadillo Customs. It's the first bike night of the year. We're running a raffle in aid of Mind. There's so much stuff going on. Please do stick around and stay tuned until after the intro and I'll tell you all about what I've been doing. For all of you who stuck around, thanks ever so much. It's been a bit quiet on the channel recently because I have been very preoccupied with promoting and trying to raise money for this challenge. Armadillo Customs came on board and said we could run another raffle tonight, so here we are. So I'm going to wander around in a minute and see some of the bikes. Also, we had another raffle which I was running on my Facebook page and on the Mad Leprechaun page. I promoted it a bit on my YouTube channel. That has now closed, and I shall post the winning numbers on the screen. Unfortunately, I recorded myself live with the camera that's recording me now, and I deleted the footage. It wasn't my best piece of work, so it doesn't really matter. Let's wander around and see some people and try and sell some raffle tickets. Try and catch the ambiance of the evening. I've been selling raffle tickets and Nikita has, bless her, she's just took over. Hello. Nikita's mum, looking gorgeous and glamorous. I have to say, I test rode one of these. Probably the first motor bike I ever test rode, and I've loved them ever since, and I still want one. So yeah, first bike night of the year. Yesterday was an absolutely blisteringly hot day. It was gorgeous, 26 degrees, and it's not that hot now. It kind of blew over earlier, and it felt like it was going to rain, which kind of put some people off. Well, that's pretty. So yeah, nice turnout. Love this KTM 1290 It's gorgeous. Very special bike, lots and lots of carbon, very light. I'm going to keep going backwards. I'm going to keep going backwards. That is absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? That is not a standard colour, is it?
It's not. It's a Toronto Gen 2.
Right.
Had it re-sprayed.
Right.
It's got K-Tech faults.
Right.
It looks like super sprox on the back. Upgraded pegs.
Is it your bike?
No, but I've got the same one, but the Millie. I've got the forward one.
Okay.
It's older carbon, upgraded levers, Brembo levers, headlight guards.
So it's not OTT, but it
looks like it could be, like you could get away with it, but it's not.
Yeah, but it's really lovely.
He's done it so well.
Yeah. Valkyrie paintworks are out in force. The Piston Cup winner of 2025, that belongs to a pal of mine, and hopefully Mark and I are going to do a video about this bike in the not too distant future. He keeps on telling me that he's up for it, but hopefully, I love that. Isn't it gorgeous? Super Sport 950S. Of course it's red. It's a Ducati. And I love that. In equal measure. Complete lunatic of a bike in its day, the VTR 1000. SP2? Yeah. The MT10. Yeah, good turnout. It kind of threatened, it's all right, it kind of threatened that it was going to rain earlier. What is that? SVT 650. I think that is one of the Japanese. It is interesting. I like the colour. I like a bit of yellow though. Mosakazi. Anything with a Harmod guard, anything with a Harmod guard, it's got my interest. But the Ducati Scrambler, I rode one of these some years ago. Really, really nice bike. Oh, my wife's favourite bike. Is that Troy Corsa? I think it is. Very nice. So there you go. Oh look, it's Rachel. Hello, Rachel. Hello. You love being on camera, don't you? Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
But this is one of 5.
Wow.
They imported in the country.
Right.
So it was an add-on, and that was custom painted to match. But
Right.
it's not a great match. There's so much. When this catches the sun, it just absolutely fab.
You can tell the difference between the it's just
really catch a bit of light on it.
Yeah.
You can really see.
camera's not going to pick it up. Moto Marini. So yeah, yet again, it's a Moto Marini. I think it's made in China. But hey, it's a beautiful looking bike. I really like that. I like that a lot. It's got that adventure-y kind of style that I like. Got Brimbos on it though. Marchesini forks. I'd like to know more about it, but yeah, very interesting. That is a very Larry Triumph Tiger 900. Wow, very nice. I quite like that. I was talking to the owner of this earlier. It's looking resplendent in its black, stealthy VF4 800. Nice. Yeah, so I'm pleased. There we go. A little bit of a look round the bike night. Craft centre in the week, so there's lots of different little shops on site. And I think Armadillo, I'll put it on the screen, but Armadillo run a bike night here once a month. But I shall put their flyer, which I've got, I'll put it on the screen. So if you're local and you haven't been, then maybe you could pop along and have a look, and have a coffee, and have a peruse. I love these. I've never ridden one. I'd really, really like to. Unfortunately, for some motor vloggers like me, certain brands are a bit of a closed shop, which is a shame. You all right? How gorgeous is that? So the same as the red one that's around the front. For me, I'd have the white one. GSX 1100E. Wow. That looks gorgeous. Oh, she's a classic, mate. But I love the paint scheme. I don't know if that's all standard. I just wonder if the discs on the front are standard. I don't think they are. It's very in keeping of its time with the wavy discs and the underslung swinging arm braced, of course, because of all of that power. A lot of these were made into drag bikes, so to see one that's relatively unmolested is quite nice. Some said, why do you go to a bike night? You go to a bike night to look at other people's bikes. It's just nice, isn't it? Someone's on a paint job. The useful Harley. Not sure what model that is. I'm not a Harley Davidson aficionado. That's it. We're kind of. I thought I would scoot round. I haven't done an awful lot of videoing of anything lately. I have been so preoccupied, as I said in the intro, with planning this trip that I'm going to do, and trying to raise money and awareness and bits and pieces. So yeah, it's a nice turnout. Say it was really hot yesterday, and encouraged a lot of people to come out tonight. Unfortunately, it kind of threatened like it was going to rain earlier, which put a lot of people off. Now some of my pals went home, but we've had some people turn up since. That's good. I don't know what that is, but I like it. Wow, okay. I shall put it on the screen. I know it's a 307cc, but I'm not sure what make it is. Like I said earlier, ending with a high mud guard. Right, let's get back and try and sell some more raffle tickets. And if you are watching this and you donated, or if you bought a raffle ticket, thank you ever so much. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, it's been a bit of a mission, if I'm honest. Yeah, someone did say to me, the ride will be the easy bit, the hardest bit will be collecting the money. And if I'm honest, they're right. To begin with, someone gave me some money and I felt a bit awkward taking it. But then I thought, no, this is what it's about. It's about taking money from people and giving it to the charity. Henry Cole, bless him, has been an absolute legend. Gave me a can. We made 500 quid from that through the last raffle and various other prizes. Teapot One has been an absolute legend. Went on to his brew time. Andy, the Missing and Flyer, I've been in on his, he advertised that on his channel, and lots of other people, Bridge Street Motorcycles, Hideout Leathers, Armadillo Customs, yeah, and the list goes on. So many people have been donating and giving me bits and pieces to auction and stuff, so it's been wonderful. While I was saying thank you, the grain shed gave us a prize for the raffle, and yeah, so thanks to the grain shed. A really nice cafe. It's not a caf, it's a cafe, and it's really nice. So if you happen to come down and want some witchcraft-y things or some crafty things, there's a cycle shop who gave us some bits and pieces as well for the raffle this evening, so thanks ever so much to them. Cycle shop just over there. There's a guitar shop in the corner, so yeah, what a nice place to come and hang out, you know, meet some lovely people. You meet some lovely people.
Hello, that's very close.
Woo. Right, it's recording. That's where I'm going. Right, I'm with the gorgeous Nikita from Armadillo Customs. Thanks ever so much for all your help tonight. Okay. I know you're natural on camera, you hated that. But yeah, no, she has. She's been absolutely brilliant. We probably didn't sell as many raffle tickets as we would have liked, but for all of the people who did give, thanks ever so much. Some people just gave donations, and that's wonderful as well. In fact, some people scanned on the QR code on the table, and in fact I was going with my t-shirt. So we've got the Valkyrie people standing over to one side, and they're going to draw a ticket, and your obviously representing Armadillo.
Yes.
So
Yeah. So who's doing it first? Me?
you are doing it first. You've got a bag in your hand.
Okay.
Right.
You do.
Okay. So that's the first one, and that'd be for the Armadillo bundle.
Bundle, yeah. Oh, don't have to blow away.
I'll draw one.
You can do one.
That one. Oh no, it's two. That one is for the. What
The second place was the tea and
the tea and cake at
the Grain Sheds.
the Grand Shed, which is next door. Please keep them in order, please. Get over here, Gary. Come around this side.
Yes, Gary, get on camera.
Gary from Valkyrie Paintworks.
What have we got?
What we got? Give it to the glamorous assistant over there. And that's for a Valkyrie. Is that a Valkyrie t-shirt?
Yes.
Right.
Valkyrie t-shirt.
There you go.
Are you going to do all 3 t-shirts to 3 different people? What way do you want to do?
It was for 3 t-shirts.
Well, let's do another 2 then. It's the thing that keeps on giving. Right, that's for another Valkyrie t-shirt. Rachel hates being on camera as well. Go on, Rachel.
Valkyrie t-shirt.
We're going for the 3rd Valkyrie t-shirt. Let's hope they all fit. That's for another Valkyrie t-shirt. And we've got fuzzy Lego that's not Lego, plus the bottle of polish.
There's another one.
And the last but not least, isn't it? Yeah, the cycling helmet.
Yes, sorry, the
Cycling
cycling
helmet.
helmet. We'll do another one.
And another. So cycling helmet. And there's another cycling helmet, isn't there?
Oh, there's another one.
There's 2 cycling helmets.
Right, okay.
That is it. Thanks ever so much. Really appreciate your help and his help and everybody that's given tonight. Right, I've got to sign off. So if you've enjoyed this mad video of Bike Night at Armadillo Customs, please pop on their socials and find out when the next Bike Night is. And the next Bike Night is
The 23rd of April.
23rd of April. So hopefully we'll see you then. Catch you later. Like, subscribe, comment in the comment section below and all that malarkey. Until next time, people, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.